Hi Tarot Tribe, it's Ethany and it's Friday, which means we have a new deck to discover together on First Impressions Friday. First Impressions Friday. And today it is the Earth Warriors Oracle by Alana Fairchild. And this is a Blue Angel deck. And the artwork is by Isabel Brina? Sorry if I just butchered your name. Her artwork is stunning, which is the reason why I wanted to get this deck. I mean, I follow her on, well, I follow Alana as well, but I also follow Isabel on Instagram, and I was like, someone should make a deck out of her work, and then lo and behold, someone did. So we're going to do what we always do. I'm going to switch cameras now, and we're going to go through each one of the Earth Warrior Oracle cards with you. Okay, so now we're going to go through the Earth Warriors Oracle by Alana Fairchild and artwork by Isabel Briner. Oh yes, I'm terrible. I'm sorry about that, Isabel. This is by Blue Angel Publishing. So it comes in a lovely Blue Angel box with shiny. The artwork is so stunning. Just even that image sold me pretty much, which, you know, goes to show covers are very, very important. So we're going to pop that there. Okay, so it's the base of the box. Do love me purple. Okay, guidebook, a nice chunky guidebook. Love the backs. Standard Blue Angel Publishing card size. So that's, I just opened this, so it's been scratched, but that's okay. I don't know if you can see that scratch there. Yeah, standard size, matte finish, you know, 350 GSM, nice cards. I don't love the borders. And so right off the bat, I don't love the borders. The artwork is so stunning. I feel like we could have just had these borders, and it's because it's a double border. I'm not a double border person usually. It's very rare that I am. Like I trimmed my Druidcraft Tarot because I had double borders, and then you could have done a transparent one inside there, or extended the green and had these beautiful multicolored ones down and made that a bit smaller. So I'm not in love with that, but I know that that is probably not the artist. Well, I know for sure that's not the artist's say. It's probably the publishing company. Okay. The Hozo, the Beauty Way of the Navajo. Probably pronounced that incorrectly, so I do apologize. Oh, I'm going to pronounce all of these wrong. I might not even try the next one. Number 2, the Turquoise Hanging Woman, Staniathai. The artwork is so gorgeous. I mean, there's so much detail and color. It's just those borders. Totemic Puma. The Goddess of Teotihuacan, she who guards the waters of life. I'm giving it a crack. The Circle Cross of Tenan, the rare intersection of heaven and earth. Palhik Mana, medicine of the butterfly Kachina. Lena, what must be shall be. Valuka Vahani, she who rides the owl brings justice. Beautiful, beautiful artwork. Blessings of the Kumu, no good thing shall be withheld. Kai Tikai, guardian of Papa Tukusu, I'm not even going to. Tunuku. I'm trying. This is hard to pronounce if you've never seen some of these words before. And I envision the way of the giant feminine revealed. But the artwork is just beautiful. And I have a feeling, I'm just gonna have a look at about the artist. Yeah, Latin America. So Isabel Briner was born in California and moved as a teenager to Latin America. And you can tell that this is from the titles and the energies that they have, that a lot of this is from Latin America. Amutaha, sage of higher knowledge. You know what, if nothing else, you just, you can get you can get a giggle out of me trying very hard and failing at saying these. Chel, medicine of the rainbow jaguar. That's a beautiful image. Okay, so we have a landscape, the Clan of the Wolf Heart. We are the ones we've been waiting for. So again, that might throw a few people. I know that the Oracle of Wao Kuan Yin may have, I think, is it all of them? Some of them are portrait and some of them are landscape. That is a stunning piece of artwork. Anna Durga, Power of the Good, and now that's an Indian energy. Lolo, Stand in the Light. I mean, the description of this is rise of the soul tribe of sacred guardians and inspired visionaries. So it's from all over the place, but you could tell when they were from Latin America. Padma Sundari, out of darkness a light is born. Kuntayakak, blessings from the sun, Hanapacha. Chikana, time to cross the threshold. Chaska, star of Venus. Didiri, hearing truth. In Gonyama, honor of the ancient king. These are so beautiful. Ubula medicine, remedy of the grandmothers. Puo, guardian of the Umaka. And I apologize for butchering the languages in here. Aloha Hikihana, blessings of the Supreme Being. That's a gorgeous image too. Sorry, I put that up. Amaru, the beautiful place. It's so gorgeous. Ponopono, immeasurable power of the Heartway. Sorry, kind of going ooh, ooh. All those rainbows. I do love the rainbows in a lot of these. Ente, sweet paradox of empowering grace. Kiente. Nana Baluku, she rests to create. It's gorgeous. Panthera, the precious and rare. And the more I'm actually going through this deck, and it's hard when you're doing an unboxing like this, and obviously I'm tripping up over a few words and pronunciations, to really take in a lot of it. And the borders, as I mentioned, are not my favorite, but as I'm going through this deck more and more, the more I'm actually liking it. Like being able to be drawn into just the art, the beautiful artwork and the energy of it, and not being distracted. Elhaz, divine magic might foretold. Pacha Kamak, nourishment of the soul. Intikana, child of the light. Alakoa, spirit of the warrior. That's a gorgeous card. Mamakila, mandala of the moon. That's another beautiful one too. Mayu, Soma from the galactic heart. I want hair like that immediately. I want long rainbow hair. Diamond tiger of the black moon. Second chances bring success. Oh, Pachamama, she with the Andean emerald heart. Oh, I want to go back to Peru so hard. One of my favorite places on the planet. That is stunning. Anka, kin of the Red Hawk tribe. Another beautiful card. This one. Hikaya, sorceress of light. Medicine horse, progress on the path. And this is a cover image. Kaini, in each other we find ourselves. It's so gorgeous. Viracocha, honor the light. And then white buffalo woman, hopeful heart, see her sign. So it's going to be interesting to see how this reads, this deck, because it is about soul tribe of sacred guardians. Shuffles really nicely. I don't have a problem handling this size deck. Alakoa, spirit of the warrior. Okay, let's have a look at what we get in there and then have a look at Alakoa. Okay, so the guidebook. So a little bit about Earth Warriors and where the name of the oracle, and I think, look at that. Synchronicity, where the inspiration came from. Okay, introduction. Who are the Earth Warriors? Guardians of the New World. Politics become a question of consciousness. The divine feminine speaks. Claiming your indigenous roots to the Earth Mother. How to use a deck. Blessing the deck before use. Reading, shuffling, repeating cards, and random cards falling out of the deck. Okay, Earth Mother Speaks, Life Purpose Adjustment with Divine Guidance. So first, second layout. One card layout, the fourth layout, Divine Healing and Spiritual Guidance Session. What are the healing processes? So this deck has been designed, like what I'm going to do is spend some time maybe doing a couple of these spreads and actually walking through them in the way that it was designed, just to see if it, instead of just doing it, using it like a normal oracle, like I use a lot of oracles to close out my readings and to wrap them up. Be really interesting to see how it moves as its own designed entity in a way. And then we have 34, so they're numbered. Okay, Spirit of the Warrior. So it's like the card speaks. Though you yearn for peace, you recognize that without truth, genuine peace can never be. And then in a reading, do not give up. If you feel hopelessness, despair, defeat, frustration, and you wonder if it's really worth it, place your mind and heart in your heart and the awareness of what is inspiring you. Spiritual guidance. A low card to cultivate Spirit of the Warrior. So we get quite a bit of information. That's like quite a lot of information for each card. So that's a chunky guidebook. That's like that is a lot of writing. So Alana Fairchild is pretty well known in our circles. Yeah, as I mentioned, I'm going to spend some time with this deck in the way that it has been designed for working with the healing aspects of the Soul Tribe and Guardians and see how I feel. Still not a fan of the borders. I do like the palette though. I love the purple and the beige and this beautiful parchment-like number. I love those colors. I mean, look at the altar that I did today. It's very, very similar. Yeah, but the borders are a bummer. And I'll see if it feels joined enough or a little bit disjointed. I'm not sure. But it is beautiful. The artwork by Isabel is just stunning. So as this is sold by Blue Angel, it is available where you get a lot of cards from, like your bookstores, Amazon, all that kind of jazz. I will put a link below. And as always, my treasures, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and for watching.